Hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, all kinds of social media. Whatever you do, just keep on hunting. I'll be there eventually. So glad to have you with us. Remember, if you like it, if you enjoy this video, make sure that you press the like and subscribe below. Today I want to show you a new product that they have on the market. It's called Hick Away, which is not getting rid of hicks in your life. It's getting rid of the hiccups, which I have. Hick Away was originally a natural remedy proven to stop hiccups instantly, as seen on Shark Tank. The instructions are fairly simple. You put the cap on the desired setting. So on the bottom here is a little cap, and one side is adult, one side is child. The child size has a little larger hole to make it easier to use. Then it tells us to fill a glass about half full of water, and we're going to place the Hick Away into the glass of water. If the length of the device is significantly submerged, it'll fill with too much water and it won't work as well. So now I'm going to forcibly drink water out of this straw, and it worked earlier today. We'll see how it does now. I'm going to drink water out of the straw. It's going to be difficult to do because it's got just a tiny little hole to drink through. It says to take about 3 to 4 sips, and as you can see, it's still dripping some water out of the bottom. So after you're done with it, you do have to dump the water out before you put it away. But look, the hiccups are gone. It's an amazing thing. Here I thought for just $14.95 that this was going to be wouldn't work very well. It works great. I give it a thumbs up. Again, if you like this video and want to see more, be sure to press like and subscribe below. And thank you again for watching my YouTube video.